Okay, so Eric sent me this nice retweet of this figure, wondering whether it's possible to do this in OMERO.figure. And I don't know about actually implementing this in Figure, but I'm going to try and reproduce this effect where basically we've got two different rendering settings for the same image and split across the image. And I'm not going to try a diagonal line like this. I'm just going to try a vertical line. And there's an inset here showing a zoomed in region of that image. So I'm starting with a single panel here, and I'm going to first just copy and paste to duplicate that panel. And then in the info part of this tab here, I'm going to set the width of this panel to half. So let's go for 163. And okay, so now we've got a square and a rectangular region of the same image. And now in the preview tab, I can go to crop this half region, and I'm going to just drag the crop region over to the left side of the image like that. Okay, so I've got now this showing just the left-hand side, and let's make this a bit clearer. I'll turn off the red channel. And on this other one, I'm going to turn off the green channel. Okay, so we've got two different rendering settings, and now we just need to overlay them. Because I pasted this one on top. Okay, so we've got the same alignment on the left. Check the alignment on the top is the same. Okay, so now we've got two different rendering settings for the same image. Let's just select them both. So I can do some rendering settings to both. Let's make the dappy into white. And I'm also just going to quickly use the names of so you can see the channels have different names. In the labels tab, I can create labels from the channel names. Let's put those at the top, 18, and make these at the top left. Actually, nope, I'm going for this right-hand panel, of course, I actually want these to be, I'll remove the dappy one. I want this to be in the top right. Okay, so obviously that did not work. Let me just undo. Obviously I clicked add twice. Let's move this over to the top right. Okay, and delete. Oops, delete the dappy. Fine. Okay, so a little bit of messing about, but we've got the channel names. Okay, so let's now see about the zoomed in region. So I'm going to select both panels and copy and paste to duplicate them. Now I'm going to select this right-hand one, and remember this is showing actually the whole panel, it's just overlapped half of it. So I'm going to zoom in quite a bit to show like a central part of that image. And I can actually copy that region that represents this rectangle, and copy that rectangle. And I could use that copied rectangle to actually create, again, selecting these two on the left here. In the labels tab, I can work on ROIs here, and I can actually paste that region. Let's make this yellow a bit clearer, to show the crop region that I zoomed into on that red panel over there. Now I want to edit that a little bit. What I want to do is create the region on the left here for cropping the other panel. So I'm just going to select this and drag it to half the width. So a little bit of guesswork there. And I'm going to edit, copy that shape. I'm actually going to cancel the change. So I don't actually want to make that change, but I can use that copied region on this panel here So I can actually paste that region, that rectangle under the crop control. So I can paste that rectangle to crop this image to that region. And you can see I haven't quite got the aspect ratio right there, half width height, but I can just tweak that by making it full height. Okay, so that's kind of what I was aiming for. Now, if I want to, I can actually, is this going to work? I could make these a bit smaller. Yep, and drag those to overlay part of that image if I wanted to. And now, having selected them all, I can still edit the controls, like turning. Oops, I can still, for example, turn off the DAPI channel on all of them, or zoom to a different Z section. Okay, that's as close as I can get. Thanks for watching.